In this video, we will discuss the importance of the Treaty of Yandabu. History, class 9, history part, social science, Seva. Number 1, importance. End of Manardin. The period between 1821 to 1826 is known as Manardin in the history of Assam. During this period, a reign of terror was let loose in the kingdom, and the Burmese soldiers inflicted atrocities on the common people. Even two Ahom princes, Chandrakanta Sinha and Purandar Sinha, had to flee away from their kingdom, and they had taken shelter in the British territory Bengal. Next, by this treaty, the king of Burma accepted the sovereignty of Assam, and he rejected the idea of occupying Assam, Kachar, Manipur, and that one, Jaintia. Next, Assam, third point, Assam became a political. Assam was recognized as one important political part of India by this treaty. Next is spread of Western education. Due to this treaty, the British occupied Assam. British rule started, and they spread Western education and knowledge of Western science in this state, and in this way, modernization of the society started. Next, industrialization of the state. Industrialization started in the state due to the British rule in Assam. Tea industry, refinery industry, mining industry, all these started due to the British rule in Assam, and British rule became possible because of this treaty of Yandabu. Next, development of road and transport and communication, railways, roadways, waterways developed here. They laid a railway track in the state. They started motorboat in the Brahmaputra river. Then this way, these are the importance we can count. Thank you. I think you will like and subscribe my YouTube channel Indra Coaching classes, and I think it is easy in Hindi. I will give you one note in Hindi also. Thank you.